here 3 sample pedigrees. This is a sample pedigree for a defective trait caused by a recessive gene, analyzed for 3 generations. This is for an autosomal dominant defect, again for 3 generations. Autosomal recessive defect, again for 3 generations. When a pedigree is written like this, the generations are numbered in Roman numerals. So the first generation, second generation, third generation, next one, fourth generation, they must be written in Roman numbers. Individuals involved are shown in numbers from left to right. Now let us take this example first. This is a pedigree written for 2 families, a male and a female belonging to one family, a male and a female belonging to another family. The first family has 2 children. First one is a female, second one is a male. The second family has 3 children. Of them, 2 are unidentical twins, and one is a female. In the first family, the male is affected by the defective trait. In the second family, this female child is affected by that recessive trait, defective trait. This daughter marries a person and they will have 2 female children. This son marries the female among these twins, as revealed from the family history. They have 1 child, but that child is affected. This affected female marries a normal male. They will have 2 sons, both of them are normal. This is the pedigree drawn based on the information available. So if you represent the genes as A and A, dominant gene as A, recessive gene as small a, it is a recessive gene defect. Therefore, this individual must be homozygous recessive. Whereas this female can be heterozygous or homozygous. In the pedigree, I was telling you, genotype cannot be represented, only the phenotype can be represented. So again, homozygous or heterozygous normal individuals. This female shows the defect, so she must be again homozygous recessive for the defect. And this third generation child also must be small a. So this is how the pedigree of a recessive gene can be represented. Look at this example. This is the pedigree for an autosomal dominant defect. For example, muscular dystrophy muscular dystrophy is caused by an autosomal dominant gene. The female is affected, the male is not affected in the parents' first generation. Their children 1, 2, 3 and 4. First one female, second one male, third one male, fourth one again female. Among them, the second male child is affected and the fourth female child is, the last female child is also affected. In the marriage between the third son and his wife, all the children are normal, 2 females and 1 male. But in the marriage between this affected female child with her husband, there are 3 children, 1 male unaffected, 2 female affected, 3 male unaffected. That means you can see the autosomal gene, defect in the autosomal gene can express either in females or in males. Either in females or in males. Look at this example. This is a pedigree for an autosomal recessive defect such as, for example, sickle cell anemia. First generation parents, they are normal, homozygous or heterozygous. Second generation, their children, first one male unaffected, second one male affected, third one female unaffected, fourth one female affected, fifth one male unaffected. Again, because it is an autosomal defect, can express both in females and males. In the marriage between this female child, there are 3 children in the third generation. None of them show the defect, male, female, female. So based on the information collected from the family, such a pedigree can be constructed, and how the defective gene has expressed in 3 or 4 generations can be easily detected by constructing the PDD.